In the world of selling, value is probably the most overused and the least understood term. In 2016, I continued my quest to find out what the term value means to some of India's biggest, brightest, grittiest business leaders and modern day entrepreneurs. Today, I'm in conversation with this co-owner and CEO of InfoExon, India's first and only open source integration company. They're also a platinum partner to LifeRay, and the only one that happens to be in India. Vineet, thank you so much for doing this. How are you?
Pleasure is all mine.
Do you know that this is the first edition of Value Summits? This interview, this for us.
I've been looking at your value selling channel,
Right.
and I must say that I have learned a lot from people, experiences, and what they have shared. And I'm really honored that I'm part of it now.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, you know what I do? I'm a sucker for value. And what does the term value mean to you? I'm going to come to that question, but before that, I want to know how has been your journey? It's been what, 15 years now?
It has been a wonderful journey so far, and we have enjoyed every bit of it. Just to take you back a little bit, we started in 2001, and that was the time when there was a recession in the market, and we were four friends.
The dot-com burst just got over.
Yeah, absolutely. It was at that time when the markets were down, and everyone advised us not to go in for something like this. And that too, where we didn't have, we were all first generation entrepreneurs. We had no experience in the family of running a business.
Right.
And but one thing was very clear, and we were all very passionate about creating something which is relevant, create something of value to our customers, and doing something which excites us. So I think this is this is a thought which got us started. And at that time, we were just like any other software company, but very quickly, when we were working in UK, and there was an initiative of the Deputy Prime Minister in UK to create open source solutions for delivering services to citizens online.
Oh, you mean the public services in UK?
Yeah, public services in UK. That was a big initiative at that time.
Right.
And then they created a lot of open source initiatives, and we, along with Red Hat, was involved with one of the initiative for developing a content management system for UK government.
Okay.
And it is at that time our exposure to open source started, and we realized that this is the way to move forward, and this is the model how the software will be created and distributed around the world. And we saw something of value there, and this is how we got started, got through that, and we pride ourselves as one of the India's only pure play open source solutions company.
Very nice, very nice. What does the term value mean to Vineet Dahiya?
Value is a very big word, but what I believe is that you can't think of value in isolation.
Right.
So my personal value might not mean anything unless and until I relate it to somebody whom I am working with, or in relationship, if you look at the personal life. So I think it is always in context with whom you are dealing with. So I think to me, value is something that you when you co-create something, which is which provides significant advantages, significant worth or usefulness for a person or a company that you're dealing with. And you have to always look from the perspective of who your stakeholders are, whether they are customers or partners or employees. You have to think what is value to them, and then try to co-create that along with that person. So this has been our fundamental belief, and so value generally get assigned with monetary value, but I think it goes much beyond the monetary worth, and it is like the impact that you create for your customer, the knowledge that you bring in during the relationship and the engagements.
Now, with reference, think of a customer or anything that comes to your mind that you have been able to create significant value for them, and how did it impact their overall business? So I'm really curious to know that.
There has been a lot of such moments, and though everybody thinks when we work in our day-to-day life, we think that we are doing something of value, but unless and until we hear it from the horse's mouth, whether you have done something relevant to them, it doesn't make any sense. And so what we did was last year when we were doing a corporate retreat. What we did was that we called a few of our large customers, and we told them that we want to meet them for say half an hour.
Yeah.
They wanted to know what for, but we said, look, we'll come and we'll let you know.
You got to name who this large customer
Yeah,
was.
so there were a lot of customers like, for example, Hyundai, IMRV, which is a leading research organization, and Amarchand Mangaldas, which is a law firm, and then there is Godfrey Phillips, right, which is into diversified business of cigarettes and chewing and.
They wouldn't
So-
like it mentioning their business.
Right. So
Godfrey Phillips is just fine.
yeah. I also remember one very interesting incident when we were with one of the CEO and the head of sales with one of our customers. I can distinctly remember the gleam and the spark in their eyes when they said, look, you have helped us sell more
Yeah.
and help us win from our largest competitors.
Wow.
And I know that we have nailed it when he said, putting his hands around my shoulder, saying that Vineet, your solution has helped us secure the funding, which was so crucial for the global expansion. And our investors saw something of value there, and they were very pleased that we are creating something of intellectual value.
Thank you, thank you. Now, for my next round of questions, you get 3 seconds to think. You don't say no to anything.
Okay.
Here we start.
Oh.
Alright. Kohli or Dhoni?
Kohli,
Delhi Devils, Mumbai Indians.
Delhi Devils.
A celebrity you'd like to live next door to?
I would say Amir Khan.
Okay. Favorite food?
I'm a traditional foodie, so Rajma Chawal.
Favorite movie?
Dil Chahta Hai.
Your obsession?
To strive for consistency and quality.
Android or iOS?
Android.
Steve Jobs or Bill Gates?
Steve Jobs.
Alright. Thank you, it was fun talking to you, Vineet.
Thanks.
Thank you for doing this, thank you for taking out the time. It has been such a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you for having me.